Welcome, my name is Abel Sanchez. In this lesson we're going to write an HTTP server. Now these are big pieces of infrastructure, but as you'll see, using Node.js plus an NPM package, we'll be able to do it in about 5 lines of code. We'll be using, let me go ahead and move over to NPM, a package called Express. As you can see there, it's a fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework. It is very, very popular as well. Just over the past day, it has been installed over 100,000 times, over 1 million during the week. So let's go ahead and install that. Let's move over to the command line. We're going to enter our installation command, which is npm install, and in this case, the name of our package is Express. I'm working at the desktop as well, and this is reaching out across the web, grabbing that content from the npm registry, and as you can see there, it has completed. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to the desktop, because here's where I will create the application file for Node.js. I'm going to call it simply server, so because that's what we're going to do. Call it server.js. I'll also create the directory where we will place our content. I'll call it my files. And inside of that, I will simply create a hello world HTML file. And so I'll call it hello with an extension of HTML. And I'll go ahead and open this up now within Sublime Text, my text editor, to simply say hello world. And we'll go ahead and save that. Close this file. And let's go ahead and move back to the console, to File Explorer. We'll move up one directory, and we'll now open up the server.js file. This will be our Node application that will consume, or it will leverage that package that we just downloaded, which is Express. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we will start by requiring Express. We do that using require, and the package name is Express. We will then create an application, an Express application. Next, we will specify the file, the directory that has our static content. So we write app use. Inside of this, we specify the property of static for Express. Inside of that, we enter the name of our directory. In this case, it's my files. And then the last thing we do is we start the listener, which is what is the server. We specify the port. We'll put it on port 8080. We will also pass back a callback function simply to give us a message that the server is ready. And we will say ready at 8080. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now I'm going to move back to the command line. Let me go ahead and clear the window. I will list my files, and you can see there that I have server.js. So I will enter node server, and as you can see there, I get the ready at 8080 and my operating system asking me if I want to allow this server. I'm going to say yes. I'm then going to open up my browser and navigate to localhost port 8080. Now I specify the name of the file. Remember, we're connecting to my files folder, and inside of there we wrote hello.html. And as you can see there, we get the hello world back. And so this is a pretty simple application, but it shows you the power of what you can do. You write a full HTTP server with about 5 lines of code. And so we've consumed an NPM package, we've written a Node.js application, and we have served some files. So you can see how easily it is to be able to serve HTTP content. And there's many other things that Express does, like allowing you to convert between formats. If you had objects and you wanted to return as JSON, but I'll leave that up to you to explore. And I'll give you as an assignment to replicate this example and make sure you can write a simple HTTP server. So with that, I'll wish you happy coding and goodbye.